Today is a very sacred day for our nation and also a very momentous day for the entire CVV family and the Chinmaya family. On this very sacred day, auspicious day, the most important thing first we have all to do is this: offer our salutations to all those great people who have given their life, given their energies, given their everything for the nation, because of which today we are independent and we are standing today with pride and joy. If not for their sacrifices, today's wonderful day would not be there for all of us. Now when I say great people, India, you know, had a very exceptional freedom struggle, unmatched by any freedom struggle of any nation. To all those visionary spiritual leaders who made this kind of freedom possible, to all of them, the known, the unknown, the named, the nameless, how many of them? There was not a family which had not given their life and blood for this freedom we have got. To all of them, let us first raise our hands, all of us together, and offer our gratitude to all of them. Today, as we celebrate our Independence Day, it's also a day of lot of pride and happiness for all of us. Because where India was and where India is now, when you look at it, you really feel very happy. In every way, India is excelling. You all know, now India is the 5th largest economy. When we got independence, we were not manufacturing even needle in our country. Today we are the 5th largest economy and moving towards to become the 3rd largest economy. These are all very happy things. India has got a lot of promise. In many ways, India is the country with the largest population, meaning enormous hands and legs to serve the nation. India is the country with the largest youth population, meaning energetic hands, inspired hearts to serve the nation. India is a land which is moving from greatness to greatness. And the beauty of India is, it is a nation whose greatness benefits the whole world. It is not a greatness which is competitive. It is a greatness which is very collaborative. For the principles of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Yatra Vishwam Bhavati Eka Needam, these are all enshrined in the hearts of every Indian. Today, as we celebrate our Independence Day, is also a day when we start thinking how we can contribute more and more for our nation. Celebration of independence without the declaration of our dedication to the nation is only going to bring in dependence. Therefore, independence with the declaration of our dedication to the nation. When we say dedication to the nation, what do we mean by dedication? What do you mean by serving the nation? Remember, nation is not sitting somewhere for us to go and serve. The nation is everyone. Nation is a grain of sand included to the mighty Himalayas. Nation is this. Swamiji, you're lifting a water bottle and saying nation? Yes, this is our nation. These walls are our nation. Every human being standing here in front of me and every human being standing everywhere, including animals and birds, rivers and trees and plants. The entirety is our nation. How do we serve such a nation? How do we serve such a nation? My dear young friends, serving the nation is to bring out the best potential each and every one of us has. Each and every one of us have to the service, to the fulfillment of the aims of the nation. Now, each one of us have got an ability. Each one of us have got a talent. Each one of us have got a capacity. Each one of us are distinct and unique. And the beauty of our uniqueness is each one of us are capable of something. Now, let us rise to bring the best in us in every way. Like how each one of us have got our own individual talents and capacities, each one of us have also got our own individual duties, responsibilities. As we fulfill them, we are serving the nation. Be the best what you can be, and then you are serving the best to the nation. And remember, when you say the nation is what we are serving, let us also think differently. What do you mean think differently? Let us not think of ourselves as being just this one person. My head is the Kashmir. My arms stretch to Gujarat, Assam, and the northeast. My legs are spread over the whole of South. This way, let me consider myself not as one individual. I am the whole Bharat Purusha. Can we change our thinking this way and not consider ourselves to be just this, but the entirety of our nation? Please give a thought. If we can do that, our thinking itself will change. Let me not look at each person separately, saying that this is a Malayali, this is a Tamilian, this is a North Indian, this is a Bengali, this is a Bihari. Everyone is an Indian. Let me take away these kind of narrow propensities and look at all as Bharat. Let me not look at people with such kind of barriers and narrow-mindedness and divisions such as caste and creed, region and state, language and such kind of divisions, but look at all of them as one. As one means what? As me alone, as India alone, as Bharat alone. And with this vision ingrained, whatever you say, whatever you speak, whatever you do, whatever you think, whatever you feel, will be service to the nation. Because you have broken your narrowness of who you are. Can we do that? Can we think our head is Kashmir? Do we think our head is this? Are we so small? We are large. The Upanishads exclaim, Aham Brahmasmi. We are large. Let us, on this sacred day, also remember the beauty of what we see here. This is not possible but for all those workers with having their yellow hats. To all of them, let us offer our gratitude. They are building our nation. CVV represents a resurgent India. Chinmaya Vishwavidyapeeth represents a very great vision. It is as vast as the heart of our Gurudev. It is as great as the vision of our rishis. It is as noble as our motherland. To this nation, as we dedicate also our most wonderful institution, envisioned by our Gurudev, brought into action by great masters such as Pujya Swami Tejomayanji, Pujya Swami Swarupananji, and dedicated hands of each and every one of you here, and others who are sitting far away also. To all of them we offer our salutations. Let us remember this beautiful line of the pledge. We believe. Can we all say together? We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords. And devotion to a people, devotion to the people, is the devotion to the Supreme Self. All that we ask from Lord, all that we ask from Bharat Mata is, give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. We are very blessed to be living in such momentous times where great changes is happening in our nation and as the nation is moving forward. India beckons each and every one of us to give our best to serve our great nation. Thank you all very much. It's a delight to be here. And special salutations to all those people who are standing. Some of us are sitting, and there are lots of people who are standing. To all of you, I give my most loving regards, and I invoke in all our hearts the blessings of the Lord, Pujya Gurudev, and above all, Bharat Mata, which we all embody in ourselves. Thank you all very much. Hari.